First, make sure you're in a calm, quiet place where you won't be disturbed. And ease yourself into a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whichever works best for you. Once you've found the perfect position, you can let your body loosen up. And when you feel ready, you can gently close your eyes, letting your eyelids relax. Now, you can gently shift your attention towards your breathing by taking a slow, deep breath in through your nose. Hold the breath in for just a moment and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Your body is becoming loose and relaxed. Your mind is becoming quiet and calm. Let yourself enjoy this quiet and peaceful moment as you keep diving deeper into relaxation. Now, I'd like you to take a moment to ponder the importance of kindness and empathy. Empathy is a perspective, a knowing, while kindness is an act, a choice. Empathy is the ability to see and identify other people's emotions, having a concerned response towards them. Kindness is acting on this concern. It is taking the leap from having empathy to expressing it. Take a moment to think of a person that you love, a person that is dear to you. You can visualize them as though they are standing before you, reminding yourself of the love and understanding you share. Now take a deep breath in, feeling how you are receiving love from this person. Breathe out, sending your love and compassion towards this person. We naturally feel more empathy for those who are similar to us, yet we are able to cultivate empathy for everyone, including those who are of a different background, those who have different beliefs and other ways of approaching life. I'd like you to take a moment to think of someone you feel you cannot empathize with. Maybe it is a person you don't like, or even a person who has hurt you in some way. Visualize them standing in front of you, taking into account all of the ways you are similar with this person. You are both unique beings, living in the same world with your own perspectives, thoughts, and dreams. In this moment, I'd like you to remind yourself that this person, too, is able to experience all different kinds of emotions, just like you. They, too, wish to be loved, understood, and appreciated. Acknowledge that even though you may not share the same values, this person, too, deserves kindness and empathy. I'd like you to take a deep breath in, drawing in insight, a deeper understanding of this person's needs and actions. Now, breathe out, extending your empathy and kindness towards this person. Now, as we reach the end of this session, I'd like you to come back to your breath once more. Take a few more deep breaths, coming back to your body, coming back to the space you're in. And when you're ready, you can slowly open your eyes.